Bit of a chilly week in the UK this week. Here I am on this beautiful sunny morning. It's currently -6 degrees. I think that's probably around 22 degrees Fahrenheit. I have had a few comments and questions asking whether or not it's safe to fly your drone down to freezing or even below freezing temperatures. So I thought I'd do a very quick little video on this really lovely day. We had a bit of freezing fog overnight, so everything is covered in ice. Mini 3, the new DJI Mini 3, it's actually quite a tough little beast. It's got a minimum operating temperature of -10 degrees centigrade. I think that's about, I'll check and put it at the bottom, probably about 10-15 degrees Fahrenheit. So certainly, technically, it's safe to fly in this temperature, but there's a few other considerations you need to keep in mind as well. First of all, batteries, you certainly want to keep them warm. It's a good idea to keep the batteries in your pocket, or you can actually get little warmers to keep them at a decent temperature before you actually put them in and get them up flying. Lithium batteries work better at a reasonable temperature. Obviously, you want to be able to control the remote as well, so make sure you are warm as well. It's no good you being distracted by having very cold fingers. And icing up is another thing that you want to make sure doesn't happen. If you've got quite a lot of freezing fog or mist, then it is possible for ice to build up on the props and on the lens as well, and even on all the exposed faces. Now obviously icing up of the propellers is very bad. Not only is it increasing the weight of the drone itself, but it'll actually stop the propellers from working. So if you're in any doubt, you want to probably do a very short little flight, keep it very low and land it and check that nothing's icing up. Otherwise, you should be good to go. And looking at the sunrise just on all the frosty trees here, I think I'm going to get some beautiful footage. So without further ado, let's put the little Mini 3 up through its paces on this remarkably chilly morning and see what it can do for us. So there we go, absolutely beautiful morning out there, it really is. And thankfully absolutely no icing up of the props. The lens didn't mist up or ice up either, so very happy with how the Mini 3 performed in this pretty chilly temperature. So anyway, look, hopefully that's been helpful for you. If you've got good weather and you've got beautiful chilly scenery like this, say keep it low, keep it short, make sure the batteries stay nice and warm, and just keep an eye out for icing up, but you should be good to get some fairly amazing shots. So as ever, give me a little thumbs up if you like this. Till next time, have fun, happy flying.